How to watch multiple games on NBA League Pass. NBA League Pass allows fans to watch multiple games live and on demand throughout the season. You can choose monthly, seasonal, or annual subscriptions based on your preference. Stream games on one device at a time with the basic League Pass or upgrade to League Pass Premium for up to 3 devices. Watch games on iOS, Android, Roku, Chromecast, PlayStation, Xbox, and more. For desktop viewing, you can watch up to 4 games continuously. Customize your experience with home and away broadcast, multiple languages, and real time player states. Some games are subject to blackout restrictions due to local broadcast rights. You can access archived games from the previous seasons, cancel anytime before your next billing cycle. League Pass also provides access to non-nationally broadcast NBA Cup games. Visit the NBA League Pass subscription page for the latest pricing and details. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.